Okay, so we're gonna take a quick look at a very interesting website. It's called Pewter.com. It is an operating system inside your browser. No downloading required and no installing required at all. As you see right here, Pewter.com. Click on it. And boom, it opens this very clean and slick UI, I would say. And here's your start menu. And you can open it in full screen mode. And this looks like you just installed something new here. Now, yes, you can, before we go ahead, you can register an account and save your data. So, for example, if you work on something, I don't know what you would be working because it's still on development. But you have the option right here to go and either save session, create an account, add existing account if you have one, and you can change username and password and all that. But if you click session, right here, create an account, which you can enter your email and password if you want to create one. I'm not going to create one. And here is what you could pass a link if you want to. I'm not interested that much right now. And besides that, here's the credits to the guys who made it. Pewter is a privacy-first personal cloud to keep all your files, apps, and games in one secure place, accessible from anywhere at any time. This is actually a really cool idea, the way they implemented this one. And now let's go to a few of the apps or features or whatnot, whatever you want to call it. We have a voice recorder. Yes, you can do that on the fly. You have a terminal. You have a /FRVR /Fruity Ninja, picture viewer, app center. You can download apps and games and whatnot. And yes, you can add your own app right here. So if you develop an app, I'm going to show you where you can do that in a second. And as I said, this is still under development. The guys are still working on it. And yeah, if you're a developer, you can go in and develop a small app or game or whatnot and upload it right here. You can click add your app. It will open this window here and you can start making your own app stuff, I guess. It will take you right here, coming soon. And we're not gonna do anything right now, but the options are there. Let me close. And yes, by the way, these are windows. It's really just like a regular operating system. You can split the windows on sides. Now, what can you do with it? Nah, not that much at the moment. You don't have, well, I mean, it would not make a lot of sense to have a browser inside a browser, but it would be great to have some sort of a Mozilla or something within this Pewter OS right here. I would like to see that. I don't know why, but browser in browser doesn't sound that bad when it comes to this kind of concept that you're watching right here. Video player, PDF, rows, whatever rows means. Well, let's open it. I guess we can find out what it means. Oh, so it's kind of spreadsheets and stuff. Excel, which I am not a big fan of Excel. I'm not gonna lie. Here you have your camera if you want to take pictures of yourself. I block my cameras, but if you have your camera unlocked, you can do it right here. Take video, take picture, whatnot. And yes, you can actually bring stuff from your computer. You click upload here and go to your files and upload them to this kind of OS cloud server or cloud OS that you have right here and keep on working on them if you wish so. And besides that, here's the terminal, just a regular terminal. Now, I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. Let me just test something really quick. Nope, that command doesn't work on this one. But anyway, I'm not really well versed on this operating system yet because I just got it and I wanted to share it with you really quick. This is the draw, as you see right here. Let me find the eraser before it becomes embarrassing. Right here, you can make it a little bit bigger so you can delete stuff here. That's actually not bad. Okay, you get the point. So, who is this for? Well, if you're a developer or just like somebody like me that wants to mess around with new stuff and new apps, I think you could give it a shot. It's really cool. You have Solitaire. Let's talk about it. That's the dev center that I told you that you can go and try to develop stuff yourself if you want to. And besides that, here's the trash. They pick it up every Wednesday if I'm not wrong. Let me empty the trash. Boom. Gone. So, besides that, I just wanted to make this really short and quick video on how this works. Yes, you can upload your own videos. You can put a password on it and well, I guess you could use it like your secret cloud computing. If there's such a thing as secret cloud, that's, never assume cloud for something secure and simple. Even though I have no reason to believe that these guys are having anything hidden or anything bad, but it's still in the cloud, it's still connected to the internet, so don't put your eggs all in this basket. But besides that, I really believe when more people start developing stuff for this operating system in the cloud right here, and how quick it fires up and down, I think it's gonna be a really great value. You could have probably, I don't know, a small video editor, a small music maker, a small coder, whatever you want to do on it. I really like the idea. So I'll put a link down below. Well, I don't think you even need a link down below. You just go pewter.com and yeah, you have a full beautiful looking screen. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really quick because there's not much to show you inside it, and we'll see you after you hit like and subscribe. Bye!